Leetcode Daily Challenge 190 Reverse bits. We have a original integer with 32 bits. Say something like until the least significant bits. We can start with something 0 as the result, then take the least insignificant bits out of this original integer and add it to the new result, so which gonna make it from 0 to 1. That's the first bit. The second one, 1, 2. The third one, 1, 2, 3. Until we get to the end of this original integer and finish all the 32 bits. That's the approach. We're gonna get to the final result.